Well, hello Internet. In my last video, I showed you how to take this terrible office with this kind of lumpy green screen and turn it into this uh, halfway respectable office. So what I want to do in this video is show you how to turn um, oops, this into B-roll behind me. So you can make videos and narrate with the video behind you. And we're going to use again the Zoom green screen again because it's so forgiving. As you saw, there were no little shadows and puckers and stuff like that on the last one. So let's go ahead, and what we're going to do is switch over to um, my editing software, and I use Adobe Premiere. And let's go ahead and add some B-roll behind me. Okay, I'm going to have to sign off now. Okay, Internet, let's just take a look at how we set up to do videos or videos in the background using Zoom. And so the first thing we're going to do is open Zoom. And there I am, smiling away. And we'll open the audio. Now, when we're doing Zoom, and we're going to go ahead and edit it and put B-roll behind us, it's not easy. What we'll want to do is come here to our basically backgrounds and effects on Zoom. And if we go to none, we'll see that we just have our, kind of messy little green screen. And so what we'll need to do now is put a nice even green screen behind me. So what I did is I used Adobe Illustrator. You can use just about anything, Microsoft Paint or any sort of graphic software. And I just made a big green square and I uploaded it into Zoom. So if I go ahead here and hit that green screen, it provides me with a very nice uniform green behind me. Now this is a little bright because I didn't quite know how it was going to look with Zoom. I probably will darken it a little bit later because if I get the light just right, it reflects off my glasses. And so we could probably make that a little bit darker. But anyway, it does provide a nice uniform background for it. Also being that bright, you'll notice that there's a little halo kind of around me. So if I would have chosen a little darker one, that halo wouldn't have been as prominent. You're probably always going to get a little bit of that halo because the green screen tools are not perfect. But anyway, we have a nice green screen behind me. So let's go back to the Adobe Premiere and let's add some really fun behind me here. First one we're going to show is basically a flyover of a little resort. I just pulled this off of Pexel.com, and it's a great little shot. Many of you may want to be doing this in your own community to show parks and resorts and things like that. So we'll do that, use that. The next thing I want to show you is a little a map that I made using Adobe After Effects. And with After Effects, I can draw a path on a map. And for example, this path is from the Reno Spaghetti Bowl to USA Parkway, which is where you'll find the Tesla Gigafactory. And it's kind of a cool thing to do. And then the last thing I want to put up here is going to be a really cool and fun little video of some goats up at Red Rocks State Park down near Las Vegas. Pretty cool, a lot of fun. Okay, that was using the Adobe Premiere to add some B-roll behind us. And that was a lot of fun and very useful if you're going to make some videos and you'd like to be in it yourself. Okay, we're going to leave you with a shot of the famous Reno Arch, and hope you liked the video. Hope it helped you if you want to put some B-roll behind you in a video. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. I'll be putting up more videos like this and about real estate in times to come. Okay, we're at the end of this video, and I hope this helped. Basically, the whole premise is using the Zoom green screen, enhancing that, and using your editing software to basically produce YouTube videos. So, sayonara.